Hello, today I'm in Opel Astra. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can enable speed limiter, cruise control, we can adjust them, and also we can enable collision alert and adjust it. On the right side of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which we can answer and end calls, mute the radio and enable voice assistant. Also we can change source, change radio station and increase or decrease volume. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.